Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn a live photo into a video on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the camera app on your iPhone. Then make sure you selected photo. So once you selected photo, click on menu at the top right. Then make sure live photo is on. Once you have live photo turned on, then go ahead and snap your live photo. Then you should see a copy of the photo saved like this. Now to convert this photo to video, click on the three dots at top right. Then locate and click on save as video. Then you should see processing. Now go ahead and click on all photos. If you scroll down, this is your live photo, and now this is your video. You see that? So your live photo is going to be saved as video, and then you are good. So that is exactly how to turn a live photo into a video on iPhone. If you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.